So now I'm going to demonstrate 3 ways to draw stress off the energy field, to siphon it off, to draw it off, to drain it off. It doesn't matter which word you use, but the main point is to drain stress off the energy field so that the client feels more relaxed. The first one was taught to me by this malachite stalactite, and you simply place the rounded end on the chakra and allow the stress to pump out through the malachite stalactite. And it's a strong feeling. It's just like when you put gas in your car and you can feel the hose fill up and have weight. And that's what you feel like. You can feel this weight inside the malachite stalactite as the stress drains off the system. You just let the stone rest lightly on the chakra against the physical body. How's that going, Mary Beth?
It's so relaxing.
Oh, so it's working. It's good when it works. If you don't have a malachite stalactite, you can use any stone that's got a rounded, smooth end and a point at the top. And if you have 2, you can do 1 in each hand. And it's quite good to work with 2 chakras at the same time. This is labradorite. This is tangerine quartz. You want to get into the middle of the chakra and just allow the stress to pump out through the stone.
It is so relaxing. I don't really realize how much stress does occur throughout the day. And this just, every little technique is just bringing me another level of relaxation.
Excellent. That's wonderful. And so easy and straightforward. Not complicated to learn. You just have to remember to do it. If you have wands with a spherical end, you can use these also. I could put one here and one here.
That is really powerful.
The next technique for siphoning stress off the system is to actually open the chakras with the spherical end of a wand, like so. And this helps you regulate the speed of the chakra, which is very important as well. It's an important adjustment. In the last technique for today, we're going to use a Faden crystal, and that's F-A-D-E-N, Faden, tabular crystal with a white line in it. You can see the white line in this crystal very, very clearly, and that's what I use it for demonstration purposes. In this technique, we use 2 Faden crystals, and I'll now demonstrate that. In this technique, we take the 2 Faden crystals, and we take a white line and run them along the toe. We start at the big toe, and we hold the Faden crystal in place, and we allow the stress to pump out of the physical body and the energy field, to pump out via the big toe, via the Faden crystals. This is an adaptation of a technique I learned from Melody, where she used Jinshin Jitsu with the Faden crystals on the fingers. And here we are using the Faden crystals on the toes to drain stress off the system. And every client that I do this to can really feel the benefit as I'm doing it. What do you think, Mary Beth?
I feel like there's 2 tubes running down my leg, and it's just really sucking out all the negative energy.
Excellent. Then I move the Faden crystals to the baby toes, the outer edge of the foot, and repeat. And one can benefit from doing this for about 5 minutes altogether. That would not be too long. Truly an easy and wonderful technique with enormous effect.